Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video we are going to talk about Monday.com. I really want to talk to you about what it actually is, the pricing plan, and if it's worth it, at least from my point of view. So let's start. With Monday.com, managers can better keep their team aligned from one collaborative workspace. This flexible platform allows you to truly centralize your data, leveraging native integrations, third-party apps, and helpful widgets. With an overview of all ongoing processes, you can quickly gauge the status of essential tasks and follow up with a relevant team member efficiently. Essentially, on Monday.com, executives have the flexibility to build the perfect tools for their team using intuitive drag and drop technology. Simply select one of over 200 templates and customize it using the 20 editable columns to support any of your workflows. Then, if your team grows, your workflows can easily scale with you, empowering your team to new heights with complete visibility. Monday.com is really great in what they're doing since they are really easy to read. You can manage your small team inside of your small business or medium or large enterprise. It's really up to you, and it's really up to your employees. You can also use it as a freelancer. If we're about to check the pricing option, we see for individual plans for 2 seats, they are free forever. Then we have basic option, which is 8 euros a seat a month. Standard is, as they claim, most popular, 10 euros per seat a month. Pro is 16 euros per seat a month, and then the enterprise. So you can easily choose how many seats you want, and if you want to go yearly, also there's a discount. They are like biggest brands are behind Monday. You can't really go wrong with them. They are providing 24/7 support online, and you can run it inside of your web browser, but also you can run it inside of your mobile phone, which is great advantage. And it doesn't actually matter if it's your Android or iOS device. Also, you can install it inside of your Windows or Mac PC. They are located in US, in New York, and in my opinion is the most potent and complete project management software or collaboration software out there on the market at this time. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.